How to close Bank of America account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can close your Bank of America account. Before you do that, you want to ensure zero balance, transfer or withdraw any funds from your account to ensure it has zero balance. This can be done via online transfer, ATM withdrawal, or by visiting a Bank of America branch. You also want to cancel any automatic payments or direct deposits linked to your account to prevent any future transactions. Then the next thing you want to do is gather necessary information. Have your account number and personal identification ready. Make sure you have another bank account set up for future banking needs. Now, in order to close your account, there are several things that you can do. The first thing you can do is go to the nearest Bank of America branch. You want to speak with the banker and inform the bank representative that you want to close your account. They will guide you through the process and handle any final transactions. Next thing you can do is contact the Bank of America customer service. Request the closure of your account to the customer service representative. The representative will verify your identity and guide you through the process. Follow any additional instructions provided by the representative. Next thing you can do is write a formal letter requesting the closure for your account. You want to include different details such as address, account number, and signature in the mail. You can follow any one of these steps to close your account, and after you do that, ensure you receive a confirmation of the account closure immediately by phone or in person or through a follow up communication. Check your account after a few days to ensure it has been closed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.